from the Carlos P. Romulo Theater, this is Globe Pilipinas 2024!
Yan, dapat ang energy natin. We are going to be seeing more from our gentlemen in just a quick minute. 17 gentlemen vying for the title of Ganoong Pilipinas tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jean-Gal Ortega and I will be your host for the finals of Ganoong Pilipinas 2024 live here at the Carlos P. Romulo Theater at the RCBC Plaza in Makati City. Gusto ko pero mag-practice muna tayo. Pa-practice nga parinig nung palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan! Importante yung hiyawan na yan, yung palakpakan ninyo for our candidates. Remember,